In this video, I'll show how to use the Illustrator script, page information. The script adds a line of text to each artboard of an Illustrator document. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. I already have the script installed in Illustrator. For help adding scripts to Illustrator, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Page information is also known as a slug line. Typically the document name, date and time, page number, or other details. Many graphic design programs add a slug line when exporting pages, along with other marks, but sometimes we want the information on the artboard itself. To run the script, go to the File menu, Scripts, and select Page Information. The interface is divided into 5 sections: Information text, layer, color, and font, position, alignment, and settings to save and reuse the options currently set. In the first section, enter the desired text to appear on each artboard. Input any combination of literal text and placeholders, which are defined just below. File name is the document name without extension. File extension is a separate placeholder, if desired. Folder is the folder where the document is located. Date is the current date in the format month, day, and 4-digit year. Time is the current time as hours and minutes plus AM, PM. Artboard begins at 1 and increments for each artboard of the document. Width and height is each artboard's dimensions in the current ruler measurement units. Ruler units is inches, points, etc., however the ruler is set. For this example, the text is entirely placeholders. File name, artboard number, its width and height, and measurement units, along with date and time. In the second section, select the layer, text color, and the font used. For layer, if it doesn't exist, the script offers to create one named Information, or select an existing layer. The text may be colored Registration, Black, or any swatch. For swatch, if it doesn't exist, the script offers to create one named Information, or select an existing swatch. Click the button Font to change the font and size. For long font lists, use the input field Filter Font Names to narrow the list to a specific name. Select the desired font in the list, and lower the size and points. Click OK to accept or Cancel to ignore any changes. In the third section, set which edge to position the information text. Offset is the distance from either the artboard edge or layer contents, depending on the next choice, relative to. Artboard places the text inside the artboard area, the offset distance away from the edge. Layer places the text outside the selected layer's contents, the offset distance away from the contents. In the next section, alignment is the paragraphed alignment applied to the information text. Left-right indent is an amount the line of text is indented, from the left for left alignment or right for right alignment. Center is always equal indents, so this value is ignored. Once the options are set, click OK, and information text is added to all artboards. The text can be more than placeholders. Enter any text, for example, job number and client name. When the script is launched again, the values used last remain. Alter as needed or choose settings to reset the options. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.